Today finds me at Walt Disney World. I am walking up to the Contemporary Hotel, which will be my temporary home. The Contemporary for the next 2 days. I'll be here longer, but I'll only be at the Contemporary for 2 days. I am at the South Wing. I got a partial water view anyways. So before we take the world by storm, let's take a look at my room. It's a beautiful room. I've always liked the Contemporary. And if we make an immediate left, well, yeah, look at this. We have a really nice, large, wide closet. And apparently, the Incredibles were staying here. But we have a lot of hangers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and another 10, 12, 14, about 20 hangers. We have the luggage rack. We have a little bit of chest of drawers here. So really, really nice. We have a steamer. I don't see if they have a ironing board, but they have a steamer and a hair dryer, extra pillows and blankets. Beautiful. And I see the Contemporary has changed their sinks. So as we head in, Contemporary used to have really shallow sinks, and I love the fact that they changed these. I don't know how long ago it was. And so you get all of these packaged products, which a lot of hotels don't do any longer. And off to the side, we have our washcloths and a really beautiful walk-in shower. I guess all showers are walk-in, aren't they? It's a nice wide shower, and it has a removable shower head as well as the sprinkle shower. I don't know what type they call this, but kind of like the rain shower head. And this is always nice. So you can stretch that out and you can dry your swimsuits or whatever on that. And to the left is the commode, the toilet. The towels are in here, the bath towels. And this really is an Incredibles themed room because there's all the different phases of Jack Jack. Oh, and there's even me. As we walk in further, there's a cabinet that has shelves and a safe and a few more drawers. And next to that, we have a Keurig coffee maker. Let's see if we have some coffees in here. Oh, by golly, we sure do. So that's really nice. And up here, we have the ice bucket. And below that, we have a small refrigerator. As we move into the room, there is a short counter, or I guess that could be a seat or a place to put your luggage. And I don't see a luggage rack, but these are always really nice because they're real practical. You can use them for seats or for tabletops or any number of things. And that's just my stuff over here. Yeah, this is an incredible themed room, isn't it? And a lot of seating space here. So they have this couch that comes around, and I'm quite certain that this is a pull-out sleeper. I'm not even going to check it because I'm 100% certain that that is a pull-out sleeper there. And a nice big TV. And I like the way that light comes from behind there. Really, really nice. And what is this? I don't know. I don't even know what that is. I'll have to get back to you on it. Some kind of communication device. And they have this retro. Is it a light? Sure, it's a light. Here we go. That is cool. It looks like an old, I don't know, like an old satellite dish, maybe. Very, very neat. And right at the bottom of that is a trash can and recycling. So it's very much a mid-century look in keeping with the Incredibles. And we have two, they look like full-size beds, maybe queen size. And look at this. This pillow sham is Edna. And over here we have Lucius. Very nice. This is really a beautiful room. And in between the two beds, there's kind of a nightstand. And there's the phone, a lot of outlets, some USBs. And as we look at the view, first I've got to see these curtains. I'm sure that they're going to be incredible, right? There we go. There are the Incredibles, Mr. and Mrs. Incredible. And even on the sheer, it has the Incredibles. I don't know how well you can see that, but their faces are on there. But as we look out, it really is a nice view. So we see the Contemporary, the south wing. And then over there, we are seeing some of the water. So they told me this is considered a water view. I might argue a little bit, but it's a nice view nevertheless. I might argue, but I won't complain. Now, let me say, this is not a cheap room. I am here for a conference, so I'm getting conference rate, and it's $400 a night. So that is steep, but remember, you're walking distance, only about 10 minutes from the entrance to the Magic Kingdom. You also have the monorail to get to all the monorail hotels, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna head on over to the Polynesian and see if I can get into Trader Sam's. That is that great tiki bar. So I hope that you enjoyed our room tour. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.